Ah, hit.
Hit. Just stand right here.
Hit. Yeah, it is.
These colors are too similar to me. Are we green or yellow? We're green. Okay. They're yellow.
Too similar.
I'm colorblind.
Oh.
Thanks.
All right, everybody move. Let's go, everybody. The horn, the horn. Push! Green team push! Let's go! Hit! What? Who said that? Big Fish, where are you? Hey. Are you dead?
People seem to be dead, but no. I'm just chilling.
Oh, okay.
I mean, so my AK mags I got don't work.
Reloading!
You want to move to the sewer pipe?
Yeah, where is it?
Just for like maybe 50 yards up.
Let's go. All right, I'm right here.
I have no idea where they are.
Good times.
They're pushing in. Holy shit.
There's a guy in the bushes up here.
Here. This is a good place to deploy the cover.
Okay.
Deploy it up here.
Take it off. Can't see.
How is it hooked on?
Through a buckle.
Got it. Deploying cover.
The push didn't work.
Holy shit. This is a lot of fucking cover.
Yeah, I know. Alright, I hope you no, I don't.
Here.
Kilo, what's your cause? Over. Good missile deployed to cover. Just me and one more guy.
Come on, help.
Got it. Really?
Wow. Alright.
Game over.
Let's
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Go ahead and meet up at the orchard.
Here.
Or do you want me to wrap it?
Yeah. Hey, Gator! His call sign's Gator for a reason. Well, rip that idea.
Yeah, we'll do it next time.
Come on. Why did you not push with us? Oh, what I jumped in.
Dude, it's nice and cold in there.
You were in water, dude.
Yeah, I was. Are your feet wet? Yeah, my butt's wet. I was sitting in it.
Wait, where are you?
Do you have a heel rag? Yeah, I do. All right, cover me. I'm going in.
Want me to go in?
Going in.
Keep your head low. Just like stuff it somewhere in my kit. Not big enough to actually like tie anything. Sweet. That'll do. What's that? Died.
What? If you get shot, I'm just gonna say you deserved it.
Guys, start looking. Ready?
12 o'clock, Orchard. Not there, but there. Directly 12. I saw a boonie. Move. I'm moving. Stop. Actually, keep firing.
They're gonna start firing at me now.
We gotta go up and around.
Johnny, you see him? No, yeah.
That's what the VIP. Big Fish has got it.
Cover. Hey, Ben! Someone's behind us. Be careful. Making sure it works.
Move, move, move!
Where? On the left!
I see it, he's moving!
Oh, both sides. Move the package up.
Move the package!
We got you covered. Go.
Big Fish, come on! It's clear!
Running, go. Go, go, go. Move, move, move.
We're moving the objective, Gator. Woo!
Nice job, guys.
Good job.
This gun always breaks in this game mode. Oh.
Yeah, we everybody put super hard.
Yeah, that was great. Like a lot of dynamic. Last time I was here was Mars, but everyone's all in place.